So, Minerva Academy Football Club ready to start their Punjab Super League Division 2 qualifiers here. Now, an early chance here for Minerva Academy. It's Radha who is onside. The flag has stayed down. Radha! Oh, he's pulled it wide. What a chance. It's a lovely through ball. Radha just couldn't keep it on target. A chance to cross the ball in. In comes the ball. Jayananda surely going to be 1-0. No. Terrific save. Now Nikhil Mali twisting and turning away from three men. And the referee this time has pointed to the spot. Nikhil coming in from the left. So dangerous. And his trickery just too much for these Punjab defenders. Anwar Ali. Oh, he's pulled it wide. Just scuffed his shot there. Anwar. Stays 0-0. Now another ball forward. It's eluded everybody and come to Radha. 1-0 Minerva Academy. It certainly was coming. They were creating a lot of chances and finally they have something to show for it. It's 1-0. And there's the half-time whistle. Minerva Academy going into half-time with a 1-0 lead courtesy of a Radhakanta goal. They probably should be leading by more than one goal considering the amount of chances that they have created. They've looked sharp, they've looked bright in the final third. But as of now, they only have one goal to show for it. And there is everything to play for East Punjab in the second half. At half-time, it's Minerva Academy Football Club 1, East Punjab 0. Almost ready here for the start of the second half, and here we go. Minerva Academy Football Club 1, East Punjab 0. The start of the second half. Oh, that's a nasty collision there between Charles and the East Punjab striker. And the referee certainly will have a decision to make here. And it's red. Hemant. His first touch on the ball, but he's got a East Punjab man off the ball, the substitute. Now the referee has just put East Punjab down 10 men, now with another decision to make with a Minerva Academy player. Surely warrants a yellow card. No, he's shown red. Hemant, who's just come on, has been sent off, and it's 10 versus 10 here with almost half a game to go. That's nice skill there, and the man goes down. The referee points to the spot. Another penalty. It's going to be Anwar Ali again. No mistake this time. 2-0 to Minerva Academy. Right into the corner, right into the spot. Now, this is Lal. Lal with a dink. And it's 3-0. He's playing his first game now for Minerva Academy, and he's made his mark. It was a nice first touch and a dink little finish. He saw the keeper going down. Now Nikhil Mali, lovely touch. Nikhil lashes it into the roof of the net. Just looking extremely spunky, Nikhil, all game. If there's anybody on the pitch who deserves a goal, it's him. Brilliant touch and an emphatic finish. Minerva Academy looking unstoppable now. It's Radhakanta. Turns away from his man. Radha. 5-0 now to Minerva Academy. East Punjab just do not know where to look. Falling apart completely here. It's a lovely turn from Radha. A good little finish. And Here come Minerva Academy again. Nikhil! This time scores with his head. That's 2 for him and 7 for Minerva Academy. Now Nikhil, here he comes again. Hat-trick! Well, he can't believe it. Now, Ringham, the substitute all the way. He's hit the post. Very nearly an 8th here. Now Jayananda looking for room for a shot. It's come out to Radha. Radha maybe for a hat-trick, yes. He's got his third. 2 hat-tricks here for Minerva Academy. And they've scored 8. Oh, that's a loose ball. It's allowed Nikhil here. Nikhil perhaps for his 4th. Unselfish from Nikhil on to Anwar Ali, who gets his 2nd of the game and Minerva's 9th. Oh my word. Is it going to be 10-0 here? It's 9 already. There's a loose pass here from the East Punjab man. For Anwar Ali to score one of his easiest goals. Minerva magic in Mohali. Well, if you saw the team sheets at the start of the game, you could tell that Minerva Academy were the stronger and indeed the favourites to win this one. But they have won it by a surprising 9-goal margin. 2 hat-tricks, one for Radhakanta and one for Nikhil Mali, who was certainly the star of the show today. And a couple of goals for Anwar Ali as well. And one for Lal seals an emphatic victory here for the home team. Final score, it's Minerva Academy Football Club 9, East Punjab Football Club 0.